In the story of fractions, you often hear people say very strange, quirky things that probably are true, but it's just not immediately obvious why they are true. One of them is, to divide fractions, just flip one of the fractions and multiply them. Oh, okay. I mean, it sounds kind of weird. What's going on? Okay, but let's be clear. What are they saying? So you've got a fraction, say a beats, and you want to divide by another fraction, c deets. What they say really is flip the second fraction, that is, invert it, make it d over c instead, and multiply those, b. Now, what we did in the other video, multiplication of fractions turns out to be multiply the numerators, a times d, multiply the denominators, b over c. So apparently, people are saying, by happy coincidence or some reason, this division of fractions turns out to be that answer. Is that true? Is that so? Well, let's find out, because it'd be kind of cool and quirky if it does turn out to be true. All right, so let's see. So I've got a division problem. Well, a fraction is an answer to a division problem, so I could write this division problem as a fraction. In fact, the numerator is this one, a beats, and the denominator is this one, c deets. So there's my fraction. I don't like beats. So what I'm going to do is make my life easier and multiply the top by b and the bottom by b. Doesn't change anything. And I know I'm not going to like deets as well, so I might as well multiply by d and d again right now. All right, so now I see what I've got going on. Beats, they cancel. So I've really got just a on the top times d, and the d's here cancel, so I've really got c on the bottom times b. All right, so what I got, is that AD times BC? Well, yes it is. A times D is indeed AD. CB, switch it around, is indeed BC. Yes, look at that, it just happened to work out. Okay, flip and multiply, turns out to be true. At least now I know why it's true.